let's do an unboxing. Let's see what we got. So this is from Mother Science. That packaging is too lit. It's giving runner. First Aid Beauty. We have serum. I just love to show how these companies just use this big old box for those two items. We have Kate Somerville. Hydrocate. Recharging water cream. Also came with a recharging serum. We have a package from Pixi. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Have a liquid liner, a liquid eyeshadow. That's a mint color. Ooh, I like that. Vitamin C glowy powder and tint fix. A lip stain. Okay, Pixi. Too Faced. You guys know I love me some Too Faced. Hey, we have a peach bloom trend. Oh my goodness, I got a cloud blush and I love these blushes so much. Oh, thought it was 4 items. This is 3. Plumping lip gloss. A nice springy color. Oh, so pretty. This is the Born This Way Sunset Stripped palette. And now for Kosas. Ooh. A Plump and Juicy Vegan Collagen Spray-On Serum. I've never had a spray-on serum before. And this is heavy and it's I love this. Little Kosas concealers just like the tip broke. So I can't even use them anymore. And I got 2 more. I'm so excited. And I got the Revealer Skin Improvement Foundation with SPF 25. And I got one of their beauty blenders. I love it. Ooh, this from Pixi is heavy. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Ooh, Glow On Gorgeous. Says Glow On Gorgeous. Your light is a gift to the world. Period. This packaging, makeup of life. Your glow is the finishing touch. I love that. I'm gonna keep this box. Oh, keep this box for your glowing essentials. Thank you. And I love when they customize my glow tonic. I love it. I love when they do that. Let's push it out. And it's a big one. Now we have Pop Beauty. Have I had this since Halloween? Because why is it Halloween? I have like 3 of these eyeshadow palettes. Another one from Pixi. I don't know why I'm singing Demi Lovato in my head. Ooh. We have a CC crayon. Mascara. A cheek stain. Glossy lip maximizer. Guessing that's a plumping lip gloss. And a clear brow gel. First Aid Beauty. Okay, summer is coming, so they did their big one. Really love these facial pads from First Aid Beauty. Bronze Glow Drops. I'm excited to use this for summer. I have a Brighten and Glow eye cream. More Pixi. Aw, what is this? Pixi. My goodness, they sent me a freaking like stamp for letters and stuff like that. They sent me a candle, so you burn the candle and then you use this to like stamp your signature on a letter. And they sent this to me and it has a J. Pixi, love you. Pixi is deadass one of my favorite brands and one of the first brands that ever sponsored me for anything. So I love you, Pixi. I love you. Flawless Beauty Primer. Let me see what this looks like because, oh, yep. I like this one. Especially like when I'm at the beach or something like that. I just put this on and it just gives me like a nice, you know, base for the sun. Makeup Fixing Mist. These you guys know. Where's my other one? Tried and True. I use this almost every single time I do my makeup. And if I want really glowy makeup, Yeah. But thank you, Pixi, because I got a new one in a different scent. Well, this is a makeup fixing mist, and this is a glow mist. So this gives you like a glow. And that just like fixes and sets your makeup. Ooh, hydrating loose powder. I don't know if I've ever tried Pixi's loose powders. Little thing, you know, clear powder. Kiss Cosmetics. Lashes. I have Supreme. Sire. That's my nephew's name. Duchess. Empress. Noblesse. Legacy. Thank you, Kiss. Or Too Faced. I have a Moon Crush blush in Summer Moon. This is, oh no, it's a highlighter. I was like, this almost looks like a highlighter and not a blush. Oh, Too Faced. One thing about Too Faced, they're gonna give you pretty ass products. The Naturals Nude Palette. I'm not even gonna show you guys this because you guys probably already know what it looks like. Ooh, Better Than Sex in Brown. I love that for me. 8 Hour Extreme Lip Shaper. Puffy Nude is what this color is in. Can't use it as a lip liner, but I can definitely use it as a lip shade. Ultra Hydrating and Nourishing Lip Treatment. I love these. Oh, and that's it. So this is from Buxom. Of being a Buxom bae. So these are new because I've never seen these before. Ooh, these are new. I've never seen these before. These are the Plump Shot Collagen Peptide Advanced Plumping Lip Serum. Oh, they're lip serums. And they smell like mint chocolate chip. So excited for this Good Molecules one. I've never tried them and I'm just so excited. Get out of here. Too cute. The Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. This is very much needed right now because my skin is actually going crazy. Got the Niacinamide Brightening Toner. Okay. And the Discoloration Correcting Serum and the Ultra Hydrating Facial Serum. Okay. Got a package from Smashbox, y'all. Ooh. And it is their the original Photo Finish Primer. Smashbox Always On Skin Balancing Foundation, and they sent me the color T20W, so T20 Warm. Sent a warning: skin deep connections won't survive this game. Oh, they sent me a deck of cards. Sure, they have like, let's see, words on them. I'm gonna read these to you and then you guys can answer them in the description, in the comment section. Finish this sentence. I used to think blank meant blank until blank. If you could have any superpower for 24 hours, what would you choose and what would you do? So I'm gonna answer this one. Since it's only 24 hours, I would definitely choose to read people's minds. Just get like all the secrets of the world in 24 hours. Feel me? Or find out where all the secrets of the world is in 24 hours. And then, yeah, that's just what I would do. So thank you, Smashbox. And thank you to all the brands that sent me products. I love you. I appreciate you. Don't stop. And let me know if you guys want a part 2 where I'm actually trying on the products. So let me know in the comment section. Bye.